पॉलीलाइन या
पॉलीलाइन एडिट।
तो उसके लिए आपको पॉलीलाइन बनाना पड़ेगा पहले। कोई भी एक पॉलीलाइन इस तरह से बना लो, ठीक है, ये आपकी पॉलीलाइन है। अब या तो आप यहाँ से पॉलीलाइन एडिट कर लो, कमांड एक्टिवेट, या फिर इसकी कमांड होती है पी एडिट, ठीक है।
हाँ सर।
ठीक है, पी एडिट आप एंटर करेंगे तो आपसे बोला जाएगा सेलेक्ट पॉलीलाइन, तो आप पॉलीलाइन पे क्लिक कर दो। तो देखिए आपके नीचे ऑप्शंस आ गए, ठीक है। सबसे पहले जैसे कि आपका क्या है, क्लोज, तो आप इसमें सी एंटर करो, तो आप देखोगे कि हमारी जो एंड पॉइंट्स है वो जुड़ गए आपस में, राइट।
हाँ सर।
अब देखो
Yes, sir.
क्लोज की जगह आप आ गया ओपन, आप ओ एंटर कर दोगे तो क्या होगा, वो ओपन हो जाएगा।
Open.
अब इसमें आता है विड्थ, विड्थ के लिए आप इसमें W एंटर करोगे तो आप इसमें विड्थ डाल दो, तो देखो बढ़ गई उसकी विड्थ, थिकनेस।
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर।
और बढ़ाना चाहते हो तो दोबारा से W एंटर करके ज्यादा दे दो, तो देखो और थिकनेस बढ़ गई। फिर आता है इसमें एडिट वर्टेक्स, एडिट वर्टेक्स के लिए आप इसमें E एंटर करोगे, तो अब आपको पूछ रहा है कौन सी वाली वर्टेक्स आपको एडिट करनी है। अब ये करनी है, अगर आपको यहाँ से इसको ब्रेक करना है तो ब्रेक कर दो, ब्रेक मतलब ये आपकी अलग अलग हो जाएंगी फिर, ठीक है। अब देखो यहाँ से ये कनेक्टेड नहीं रहा है कि नहीं, और कहीं पे अगर
Yes,
आपको
sir.
नोट इंसर्ट कराना है तो इंसर्ट क्लिक करके वहां पे क्लिक कर दो और इसको एंटर कर दो, तो आपका क्या होगा, ये यहाँ पे इंसर्ट हो जाएगा आपका। तो नोट आपका यहाँ पे एक इंसर्ट हो गया, देखो, ठीक है।
समझ में नहीं आया सर।
समझ में नहीं आया,
नहीं सर।
देखो जैसे हमने इसको ब्रेक किया तो देखो आपका ये यहाँ पे यहाँ तक अलग आ गया कि नहीं हुआ। ये पॉलीलाइन में एडिट
हाँ
करने
सर।
की कमांड है कि इसमें जैसे कि आपने क्लोज किया तो इसके एंड पॉइंट क्लोज हो गए, है कि नहीं। आपने इसमें विड्थ
हाँ सर।
बढ़ाई तो उसकी विड्थ भी
हाँ
बढ़
सर।
गई। तो इस तरह की अगर आपको इसमें
हाँ सर।
एडिटिंग करनी है तो आप इस पी एडिट कमांड से कर सकते हो। सिलेक्ट किया, अगर इसको आपको एसपी
Where do
लाइन
you use this, sir?
सर सर किधर भी एडिट कर सकते हैं, कौन से भी पार्ट को एडिट कर सकते हैं आप?
हाँ, जो इसमें देखो नीचे दिख रहा है यही चीज आप इसमें एडिट कर सकते हो। If you want to convert this polyline into the SP line, you just click on the fit. So this line is converted into fit SP line. If you
SP
want
line.
to convert into SP line into CV, you just converted it into CV.
CV.
If you want to decurve, you can click on the decurve. So this is the editing in the polyline.
Okay sir.
Right?
Hello.
Yes, Krish.
Sir, where do we use this one, sir?
When you use the polyline, or if you want to make changes in the polyline, so you can use this command for the changes in the polyline. So basically it is used where the polygon is already used. Yes.
Okay.
This command is only used when we
Polyline
have
means, sir?
polyline.
Polyline means, sir?
Very good, yeah. Very good question. I told this many times. This is the second command of your draw toolbar, polyline.
Okay. Oh, that option command.
Yes, this is the polyline. This is the
Okay.
continuous line segments.
Continuous. Okay.
Connected line.
Without
lines.
exploding.
Yes. Right?
Editing can be
Editing can be,
done without exploding, right, sir?
yes, yes. Next command,
Okay, sir.
SP line, right? Don't
Yeah.
ask what is the SP line.
Yeah, I remember, sir. I just got confused.
Okay, okay, no problem. So this is your SP line, right? Now we have
Yes.
editing into SP line also. You can click this command and click on your SP line. Similar options will be here as the edited in the polyline, but only one difference: the polyline is converted into SP line. Here, SP line is converted into
Okay.
polyline. Only one difference is there in the SP line edit or in the polyline edit. All the options are same. You just see. See, this
Sir,
is your
what is the keyboard shortcut for polyline edit?
polyline edit. P edit.
Sir.
P edit, the shortcut.
P edit. Okay.
And for the SP line, SP line edit. Right?
Okay, sir.
Now, the next command is hatch edit. If you use your hatch in your drawing, right? So this is your
Yes,
hatch
sir.
used. So if you want to add in this hatch, now if you want to change the hatch pattern, so you can click the so you can select the hatch pattern. The editing command is already open to you on the top. So from here you can change the hatch pattern, color, each and everything. Right? Now this is, you can make changes from here also. This is the hatch edit command. You can activate the hatch edit and select your hatch. The similar window will open. From here you can change the hatch pattern, right? You can select
Yes,
this,
sir.
or you can change the color of your hatch pattern. So similar options will be there, as you can directly click on it. So this is for the hatch pattern option, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next option is the array edit. Similarly, you can change in the array. Now I'm going to create an array. Any array. You can create any array. Here I am going to create rectangular array. This is the rectangular array. And click on the cross. If you click on the directly on your array, see, your editing table will be open to you on the top. From here you can change the column option. You can change the row numbers. You can change the distance between them and total distance, right? But if you want to take here, select the array edit and click on your array. Now see, in the bottom we have rows. If you press R enter, you can specify the row number, right? If you want to add the column, you can have the column option, right? If you want to add labels, you can add your labels from by L enter. So this command is used directly or from the modify tool from edit array, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Please repeat, sir.
this is your
Please
array.
array edit.
Okay, this is your array, right?
Okay.
If you want to
Okay,
change
fine,
it,
sir.
if you do the changes in the array, you can directly select your array like this. The editing window will be open on the
Okay.
top. You can change the number of columns, you can change the number of rows, you can change the number of tables, right? But if you want to make
Okay, fine.
changes from this array edit command,
Hmm.
you can activate the array edit
Okay.
and select your array. Now in your command window we have option
Okay.
rows, column and labels. You can just, if you want to
Yeah.
change the row number, you can press R. If you want to change the column number, you can press C, or you can change the labels, you can change labels. If you want to change the base point, you can activate the base point here,
Okay,
right?
fine.
So this is your
Yes.
Yes, sir.
array edit. Now we have the align command.
Okay.
Align command means we have two objects. This is your first rectangle and this is your second rectangle. Now you want to shift this rectangle on this side or this side. Alignment. Align means alignment.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So just activate your align command. Select your object. This is your object. Then enter.
Yes, sir.
So this is your source object. Select your first object, first point on your source, and specify first point on your destination. And specify the second point on your source, and specify second point on your destination. If you want to
Okay.
add your third number also, you can go for the third also. But we are comfortable with 2 points and press enter 2 times. See, my object is moved to the
Hello.
dead points. My first object is aligned to the second object, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I repeat or move for the next command?
You can proceed, sir.
Everyone, अगर किसी को नहीं समझ में आया हो तो पूछ सकते हैं दोबारा. गिरीश, you understand this? अविनाश,
Yes, sir.
आगे बढ़ो.
हाँ.
ठीक है सर. Okay. So this is your break command. We have completed the break also. This is your base point. Break at point. And this is your
Sir,
join
please
command.
explain once.
Which one?
One more time, sir. Please explain one more.
Which
Sir,
one?
लेन-देन break at point and break point.
तीनों?
लेन-देन. हाँ sir, लेन-देन break and break at point.
Yes. Last time I sent the video for this, right?
Yeah, sir.
You didn't see that video?
So, saw, sir, but network problems on laptop, on mobile I saw.
Okay. If you want to change this is your length command. I draw a line, right?
Yes, sir.
This is your line of length 400,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Now you want to change that length, right? In length edge,
Yes, sir.
we have 4 options. So which option you want to, I describe again. Which option? All the 4 or any one of them or 2 of them?
Delta option.
Delta means change. How much length you want to change in your current line? Just tell me.
50.
50. You just in positive 50 or a negative 50.
So positive.
So it means you can going to increase the length of your line by 50, right?
50. Yes.
You just click on your line. This line is increased by, you just press
50.
delta or specify distance as 50 and click on your object one by one, right? Like this. So
Yeah, sir.
on every click, the line will increase by 50.
50.
Yes, on every
Okay,
click.
sir.
So this is your length and delta
Understood.
option. Percentage, you
Yeah, sir.
know,
I will see, sir. Percentage.
okay.
By percentage. We have to put
Yes,
percentage.
yes, you have to put your percentage.
And sir, dynamic, total dynamic.
Then uh, total means how much your line you want, how much length of your line you
Okay.
want.
Okay.
Tell me.
500.
500.
Okay. Okay.
You know what is the length of your line?
Now is 450.
No, I click on twice. That's why the total length is become 500.
Okay.
So the new line you want to 600, right?
Okay, sir.
So you can type T for the total and specify distance as 600 or click on your
Yes, sir.
line. The line is become of your 600,
Okay.
right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And sir, dynamic
And
means random.
dynamic
Dynamic.
means it look like by a stretch command. You just stretch your line
Okay.
as much you want,
Sir, why
right?
dimension we should not give in dynamic command?
You can give also. You just
Okay.
specify the point and specify the dimension.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The break command. The break, it become create a gap between 2 points.
Okay.
You just click on your break command, select your object. This object, when you going to select your object, the point is become your first point. That
Yeah, sir.
point is become your first point. Now
First point.
give the distance or you can going to click. I'm going to give the distance as 300 or click on enter. So the gap between them 2 points is 300.
300. Yeah,
Yes.
sir.
The
Okay.
next command is join. If you want to join these two lines, just click on your lines and then enter. The line become a single line. See, right?
Sir, break at point is same, sir.
नहीं, ब्रेक में क्या है, गैप क्रिएट होता है. ब्रेक
हाँ.
एट पॉइंट में कोई भी गैप क्रिएट नहीं होता है. आप कहीं पे भी क्लिक कर दो तो वो दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हो
हाँ,
जाएगी.
सेपरेट एडिट होते हैं सर. हाँ, ठीक है.
ठीक है.
ओके. ओके सर, थैंक यू.
अब देखो, अब आता है आपका रिवर्स. रिवर्स में क्या है, कुछ नहीं होता. जैसे कि आपने लाइन ली तो ये आपका फर्स्ट पॉइंट हो गया और ये आपका सेकंड पॉइंट हो गया.
हाँ.
डायरेक्शन बिकम दिस साइड टू दिस साइड.
या.
If you going to select the reverse command and select your line and press enter, by this the first point is become this point and second point become this point.
Okay.
ओके.
The direction is
But still, that
reversed.
both look same only, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. Because the object is same, na? That's
Yes.
why. Right?
So only point changes.
No,
It doesn't.
only-
The data doesn't change,
Only
right?
orientation change. Only orientation. Direction
Okay.
of drawing.
Okay, fine.
Right?
Okay.
या सर.
Now,
Show me that with another example, sir. Reverse in any shape, like triangle or rectangle. Like.
because if you draw any rectangle is a closed figure, so there is
Okay.
no direction. So if you want to draw your arc like this,
Okay.
so the direction become first point, second point and third point,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
and you can specify your reverse and click on the arc. So the arc is not selected here, right?
Yes, sir.
So arc is not possible, right? On arc, this command is not working. In SP lens, yes, is work on the SP line. So this, see, this option is here.
Sir.
Going to draw again. See, my first point is this, second point is this, and end point is this, and this
Yes, sir.
point
Yes,
is
sir.
here. On your
Okay.
first point, this mark,
Yes,
and
sir.
select your reverse and click on your SP line, and again select. See, this point will be
Yeah.
here after
Changed.
reverse.
Yeah, sir.
It change the
Okay.
position.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now this is your to create duplicate, delete duplicate objects. It means if you draw a line on your present line, any existing line, so you can easily see there is any duplicate line or not.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, Sabha, you can see it.
It's
No.
overlapping.
Yes, but I draw this by overlapping. That is why you know that there is a overlapping.
Okay.
But many as the point conditions where you don't know there is a overlapping is there or not.
Yes, sir.
So
Many
that's why
times.
many times you can just click
Yeah.
on that line. See, only the
Okay.
small line will be selected on
Okay.
clicking here, right?
Yeah.
Now if you select here, the long rectangle is selected because there is no
Yes.
overlapping.
Okay.
So you have an option as we have in your hatch command: send to back, bring to front, bring above object, send under object, right? So if you select this
Yes.
line or choose send to back, so this line will be moved behind your
Back.
rectangle. So you can select anywhere. The only rectangle will be select because your line is still there. You know,
Yes.
your line is still there, but it will go to the
Not be shown.
its own. If you select like this, the small line will select
Okay. It
because
doesn't get deleted. It goes backwards.
yes, by this command it doesn't delete,
Huh.
but it go backward,
Okay.
right? But if you want to
Okay.
delete this duplicate, you can use this command: delete duplicate object. You can select this command or select all your object and press enter,
Okay.
right? And click on your OK. See, 4 overlapping. 4. I just create one, but we have the 4 overlapping already. Now
Okay.
there is no small line. See, so all the overlapping object will delete automatically
Okay, sir.
by this command: clear duplicate objects.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Understand?
Yeah, sir.
So today I completed draw toolbar as well as the modify toolbar completely,
Modify tool.
right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Now we proceed to the annotation toolbar on tomorrow, right?
Okay.
We
Okay.
Yeah.
do this annotation toolbar in 2 days, and 1 day for your this layer command, and 2 day for this block,
Block.
and 1 day for this. It means
Proper.
have completed your 2D part in your AutoCAD in within 7 to 8 days.
Okay.
So now you have start your practice of your drawings. That's why
Yeah.
if you have any problem in the drawing, you can ask me.